Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can change your PC's screen resolution. Very much simple and easy. You can change your resolution of your screen when you think the way you are seeing things on your PC is not much brighter, so you want to make it a more brighter and clearer. You can change this. This is different from your graphics settings. So now what you need to do is you just come on here, you just move to your display. You can move to your settings and move to display. You get it? Let me come here. Let me use the normal setting for you guys to get it. So now let me tap on settings here. Good. And now let me choose display, which is here. Good. And you can find it here. You can see my display resolution here. So it depends on the ability of your PC. Every PC has a lot of resolution. So you can see with my PC, they are saying this is recommended. This is the most highest of them all. You can choose any, change the resolution of your screen. So let's say your resolution is lower at something here and then something that's higher. You just open your settings to see whether you can change it to a higher option. Depends on the ability of your PC, just like I mentioned earlier. Very simple and easy. So if you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. And I also have a lot of videos on Windows PCs, so you can check out my channel and then watch all these videos if you love them. That's it once again. Peace.